Which part of the day when me hungry I couldn't feed myself, much less me pity them. One of the dead now don't come now, don't see the glory, I don't know the story. Or don't come with an all house, I come try to tumble me down, put me and tear me down. Or don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me alone know me got through it. You hear me I telling you? You know what, hey, you know me I go come off of the live, yeah. But remember me telling you, say, you know, give me basket to carry water, but one of the day. One of the day when me I suffer. One of the day when me I struggle. One of the day when I want shoes me have. When me did homeless, when me house burned down. And me not know where to live. One of the day. And years what I tears and prayer put me right here, so. Years what I suffer. Which part of the day? When me hungry, I couldn't feed myself, much less me pity them. One of the dead now don't come now, don't see the glory, I don't know the story. Or don't come with an all house, I come try to tumble down, put me and tear me down. Or don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me alone know me got through it. You hear me I telling you? You know what, hey?
Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Let's Talk. I'm just here to just give my take on the whole entire situation that has blown up online as it relates to dancehall recording artist Spice, Macadiamond, Lady Saw, ex-baby father, dancers, and the whole entire plot around this incident that has gone viral online. All I can say is very sad to see what transpired online in relation to the recording artist herself, Spice, and some real damning accusation that are being made and still continue to be made against the current queen of the dancehall, Grace Hamilton, stage name Spice. This has blown up online and has gone viral in relation to a number of accusations being made against Spice, ex-baby father, dancer Danger, and even a situation in which Obia was actually brought into play in relation to the former queen of the dancehall, Lady Saw. All I can say, I don't see where this is going, and this is actually just escalating more and more each day, in the sense that people that were not even a part of the initial saga that went down is actually being drawn into this and have to be sharing personal information in relation to certain damning evidence that were brought to the forefront of the entertainment arena thus this week. I can't understand why people believe as if when they're having certain sort of disagreement with individuals, they believe that social media is actually the place or the avenue in which they can just iron out their differences. And I believe this is just so wrong, because now you're letting the world know what's going on. And some of these situations could have been dealt with off the mainstream media and thus be dealt with on a one-to-one situation, right? And we have seen how this has escalated into this whole entire mayhem online right now, which is very sad. A number of these individuals have sought to clear the air in relation to what is being said about them. One such person is the dancehall queen herself. Spice sought to clear the air. Lady Saw as well sought to clear the air. RT Boss sought to clear the air. And the dancers have did their own personal thing in relation to their names being called, as it relates to numerous things that have been said about them online. There have also been an accusation of rape as well, and this has just propelled into something other than what it was actually intended for in the whole entire medium of our music space. Now, Spice believed that this was just a mere plot in order to tarnish her musical career, and she actually went emotional in a video that she did, and she was actually brought to tears while delivering that message to her fans right across the world. As you know, Spice has been a prominent figure of our dancehall music space and have propelled her name to the mainstream music, which have seen her garnering so much success not only on the local space but also on the international scene of our music. And she's actually doing so well as a recording dancehall female artist, I must say. Whether this is a plot in order to tarnish her career, I can't say, because the actual Reader Man gave some vital information as it relates to how he was actually very instrumental in the initial rising of Spice's musical career and bringing her to the forefront of the female dancehall arena. And he actually gave some information in relation to things that he had accomplished with Spice and things that he was currently working on in relation to putting her career to where it's at this current stage. Whether or not these information are true or they're fabricated, I don't want to be the judge of that, because I'm just here to just put what is being said out there in the local music space. But what transpired here as it in relation to this is very sad to see how this has blown up online, and it has drawn so many different people from all different aspects and walk of life in order to get their voice be heard, or basically just to clear the air in relation to what is being said about them. But Spice is not dampened by this, and I believe that Spice is actually a very strong female, and she will overcome this and propel herself back to where she wants to be. When this is gonna be done, I'm not sure, because we've seen number of voice notes being circulated, videos, and a number of text messages as well. It just keep going on and on. However, we wish that this will come to an end in the near future, and that these individuals can just go back to some level of normalcy within their own life and musical space as well. We have seen Lady Saw, who was the former queen of the dancehall, being drawn into this. And Lady Saw was actually one of those prominent female figures who dominated the music space for years and cemented herself as one of the best and greatest female artists to date. And she was actually drawn into this saga with accusation of obia being made against her and the recording artist herself, Spice. Now, Lady Saw sought to clear the air in relation to that, and Spice actually denied the accusations that were made in relation to her getting a jacket from the former queen of the dancehall, which was Lady Saw. The actual Reader Man provided this information and had stated that this jacket was to demise or demolish Spice's musical career in the initial stage. And this is where it all went down in relation to obia. And as you know, no one likes to even hear the word. And when you are putting this within the music space, it's just opening a can of worms in relation to what other people are thinking and what's going on out there. But it's very sad to see this whole entire situation being portrayed online, and it has drawn so much different people into this, which started out simple between a disagreement between two people. Names have been called, voice notes have been read, messages have been leaked, receipts have been sent out, and it's one of those situations which we really wish could have been dealt with in a different manner and a different light. However, it's very sad to see how this has blown up online, and this has caused so many people right now to be talking and just making their own personal assumption about the music and the dancehall arena itself. So this is very unfortunate to see how this has propelled into something other than what it was intended for. This actually started out with two individuals and has spilled over into all different aspects of all people being drawn into this mayhem and this turbulence of argument. And it's just one of those, I don't even know what to even say. Just me. We have seen some information being shared as it relates to the whole orbit thing, and it's very shocking to see these revelations being made and what is being said in these voice note messages and everything that has been released so far. Well, all I can say, I just wish this individual all the best, And I doubt it that this will damper the musical career of the dancehall recording artist Spice. I believe Spice will overcome this because it's not the first time situations such as these has arisen as it relates to her being drawn under the bus on numerous accusations being made against herself. So many times you have to wonder whether or not these information are falsified in order to demolish her musical career and to let someone else hold that mantle of that first place position in the female dancehall space. However, we're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Peace out and bless.